welcome to Scarlett Natalia's Toys Review. Whoa, what's this surprise?
Okay.
Oh no, I have to quickly.
Uh-oh, what is it? What is it? What did you get?
My Yeti.
What is it? Can you turn it around and show me? Wow, this is so nice. Who do you think can play with this and love it?
My sister, because
Your sister's name is? What's your sister's name?
there. Oh.
What is your sister's name?
I don't know because she's not awake.
She's not awake? Is
Yeah.
it because she's a baby and she needs to sleep?
Yeah.
Okay. I know you're just joking, but can you tell us? Because we want to know. What is your sister's name?
She starts with Natalia.
Wow, that is a good job spelling her name. I'm so proud of
Now,
you.
do you know her name?
I do.
What's her name?
Her name is... I forgot. You have to spell it again.
Okay, I'm going to say it louder. Natalia.
That is her name? Oh, wow. I think you just spelled Natalia.
Oh, good job.
Good job. All right, can you show me the good toy for baby Natalia? Okay, turn it around.
But there's only one open.
There's only one open? Well, I think what we should do is we close them all, right?
And then
what is Natalia gonna do to open them up? How do you open them?
I'm going to do the spinny one.
Okay, show me. Show me how it's done.
She can do the pressy ones.
Mm-hmm.
I think you like spin it.
Okay.
Raise your hand up. Cow. Horse. Lamb. You can call it sheep or lamb. So, lamb.
And what is
Dog.
it? Are you sure that's a dog? It's not a cat? Not a cat. It's definitely a horse.
Oh no!
Now, where's the horse? There is a horse. It's definitely a dog, and this is definitely a sheep, and this is definitely a horse and a cow. And what does a cow say?
No. Oh
And what does a horse say?
no! Oh no!
The horse says neigh.
Oh no, everything is all mixed up. There's 4, 2, 6, 8, 1.
You're inventing fake numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and Natalia's gonna love it. Right, now it's Natalia's turn for her part of the video. So Natalia, say welcome to Scarlett and Natalia's Toys Review. This is Natalia's section where she is gonna show us how she plays with this toy right here, which has a cow, what else? A horse, a sheep, and a doggy. And look what popped out. All right, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so there's different numbers. Can you show us the numbers? Close them all. Good. So what do we have here? Number 1, number 2. What do we have to do? We press it. Nice. And then number 4. What about number 3? Can we get number 3 opened up? Oh yes, we did it. Good job. And then what do we do next to play with it? We close it. Oh, you opened it with your elbow. It's all closed. Good job. Good job. So now what we want to do is we want to see exactly what these guys are. So if I look here from the top, we can check them out. So show us now from the top. There's the doggy, and this is the horsey, and then there's the cow and the sheep. Can I get the sheep to open up? Let's get the sheep. Alright. So this is a game that can keep me busy for a long time. Long time. I get really focused. Okay. Hurry up on this one. What did you find? A sticker? You found a sticker. Look at that. It's a heart. It's a blue heart. You found a sticker? I think that's a sticker that you put on yourself on the side of the tail, and now you're finding it. Wonderful. Now, back to the game. Oh, no, the game is to put the sticker back on. Lots of stickers. We also have all kinds of stickers on the chair that got put on right there. Look at all these stickers. What are you trying to remove? Look at that sticker. That's what you're trying to get at. See that? This is behind the scenes footage right here that we're getting of you. Okay. Say thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Thank you very much. My name is Natalia, and I can't talk yet, so some of the talking has to be done for me by my daddy. Say thank you. Bye-bye.